Did your Instagram chat suddenly turn dark and messages keep disappearing? That means Vanish mode is turned on, but many people don't know how to turn it off. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to disable Vanish mode in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today, I'll show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram quickly and easily. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where the chat is active. If needed, update the app to access the newest messaging features. Now you're ready to manage your conversation settings. Step 2. Look at the messaging icon on your screen. Tap the paper plane or messenger icon to open your inbox. This is where all your Instagram direct messages appear. You'll now see your list of conversations. Step 3. Scroll through your chats and find the conversation you want. Tap on the chat where Vanish mode is currently enabled. When Vanish mode is active, the chat background usually appears darker. Now you're inside the conversation screen. If this quick tutorial is helping you solve your Instagram problem, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart social media tips every week. Step 4. Place your finger at the bottom of the chat screen. Swipe up slowly toward the middle of the screen. Keep holding your finger while swiping upward. This gesture controls the Vanish mode feature. Step 5. While swiping upward, keep your finger on the screen. You'll see an animation indicating Vanish mode is being disabled. Hold the swipe until the feature begins to turn off. The interface will start returning to the normal chat mode. Step 6. Once the animation completes, release your finger. The chat background will return to its normal appearance. Your messages will now stay visible instead of disappearing. Vanish mode is now completely turned off. And that's how you turn off Vanish mode on Instagram in just a few seconds. Knowing these small messaging tricks can save you a lot of confusion. Always explore chat settings to control how your conversations behave. For more expert Instagram tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we make social media simple and powerful.